Hey, let's make some no-bake cookies. There's only 2 people at my house, so it's a smaller batch. These aren't the best for freezing. They are super delicious, though, when they're fresh. You can find the recipe link in the description. You start out with a quarter cup of butter and a quarter cup of milk over medium-high heat. And when the butter melts, you add a quarter cup of cocoa and 7 ounces of sugar, which is just a little less than a cup. And you want to bring this to a full boil. Once it's come to a full boil, you stop stirring and let it boil for 60 seconds undisturbed. Then pull it off the heat and add a third of a cup of peanut butter and a half a teaspoon vanilla. Mix that well and then add 1.5 cups of quick oats. They set up pretty quick, so you'll want to work kind of fast. Scoop them out onto parchment paper or wax paper. I actually ended up getting 20 cookies out of this batch, which I think is a good sized batch. I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop me a comment and let me know what other sort of recipes you'd like to see. Would you like to see cooking for 2 recipes, baking videos, main dish videos? I'd love to hear what you think. And do me a favor and hit subscribe for more thrifty and delicious recipes. Take care.